When we think of quality management, we think of modern approaches to business. But in truth, a cornerstone of modern quality is a group of ancient Japanese principles known as the 5S framework. This practical philosophy for organization revolves around 5 key practices, each of which begin with the letter S. The first of these practices is to sort. This is where you evaluate your workspace and remove all that is unnecessary to avoid clutter, distraction, and wasted time. The second is to straighten. Place everything in its optimal location, rearrange workstations to improve efficiency, and structure computer files for easy access. The third is to sweep. This does not merely mean cleaning, but also inspecting to ensure that problems in the workspace become obvious within 5 seconds. The fourth is to sustain, which means to maintain cleanliness. In this ongoing step, routine inspections and labeling establish a rhythm to keep the quality achieved in the first 3 steps intact. Finally, the 5th step is to look inward to one's self. This is the deepest layer of 5S because through training, audits, and discussion, you can internalize and take ownership of 5S guidance, practicing it in all facets of work and life, and transforming it into a living culture. In the end, 5S is more than a quality framework. It's a philosophy which builds clarity, safety, efficiency, and discipline. By learning from these ancient beliefs, we can improve ourselves and shape quality in the world of tomorrow.